Hello, my name is Daniela. I will be walking you through a tour of our one-bedroom apartment number 28. As you can see, you have a wooden floor when you enter and beautiful carpet throughout. AC unit is included. Your kitchen has beautiful hardwood style flooring. Kitchen appliances are included as far as a stove, refrigerator, and dishwasher, which our maintenance team regularly services for you. You have plenty of closet space for all of your snacks and foods. There's even some way up here and more down here as well. When you come in for our self-guided tour, you'll find a brochure on the counter that goes over our rental qualifications, instructions on how to apply online, and deposit information. Now I'm going to show you the patio. It's way longer than a lot of people anticipate. You have a beautiful view of Dale Street, very peaceful street in Garden Grove. So now I'm going to take you back inside, and this is our 810 square foot floor plan. So you'll be pleasantly surprised by the bedroom. You have more storage space here in the hallway. You can hang your coats, put your towels here, any games you might have, or additional things. Your restroom also has the beautiful hardwood style flooring and beautiful countertops. Now here's the bedroom. It has a heater included in the wall. If you have kids out playing in the balcony, you can keep an eye on them from your bedroom. So this is my favorite part about the 810 square foot floor plan. It has a built-in vanity with 2 drawers and 2 huge walk-in closets. So if it's just you and your spouse, look at this. If it's just you and your spouse, you'll definitely never have to worry about sharing closet space. And one of you can even get the shoe rack included in your walk-in closet. So that is apartment 28. If you guys are interested in putting down a hold for this unit, you can by going on to montejoapartments.com. You can also call the office at 714-530-8320, and Daniela or Catherine will help you with the application process. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.